So once we click on Notepad++, you enter. You click on your enter button, or you just click on the search icon. So you should be seeing the same thing like mine. And if you are not seeing the same thing, don't worry. Just be conscious of the URL. The URL is what is on the top. So notepad dash plus dash plus .org. That's what you should click. So if it's not on the first search query, just scroll down, you will see it. For this browser that I'm using, is on the first and second search query. Then click on download Notepad++.
Okay.
So I'll be going with the first one. The first one, Notepad++ 7.93 release. So you click on it. Now, the question is asking you, depending on your system, if your system is 32 bits, I think you should just download 32 bits if you are not sure of your system configuration. But if you know that it's 64 bits, you can download the 64 bits. My system is 64 bits, so I'm going to download the 64 bits. No, just click on download. I'm just going to download this. Evangelist Monica, are you still here? I can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Okay. Yeah. Are you with us?
Yes, I want to. I'm on download Notepad++.
So where are you? Have you opened google.com?
I'm on the same page you are now. Current version 7.9.3 Notepad.
And just click on the first one. That's 7.3.
7.9.3.
7.9.3, yes.
Okay, my own page is the same thing as what you are showing us now.
I didn't get that.
I said I'm on the same page with you.
You are on the same page with us. So is it downloading already? So once you click download, you can see something
Okay, I'll click the first one
at the bottom of your screen. So here it's already telling me that it's downloading MPP Notepad++ 7.93 installer.exe. So it's already downloading and showing my progress here. So it might take some time depending on your internet speed. But it's going to show you the progress on your, depending on the browser you're using actually. I'm using Chrome, so it's showing me the progress there. But you are going to get a sign that it's already downloading. Is it downloading?
Yes, I think this one has finished downloading.
What?
Yeah, it has finished downloading.
Okay. And so you can click on it. I don't.
It's asking, do you want to allow this application?
Yes.
We'll just keep clicking. Yes, yes, yes. Next, next.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The same thing applies, Fasharo, Omatola. If you are
Yes.
if you are done downloading, I don't know why my internet is tracking. If you are done downloading, then you can as well proceed to installing.
Yeah, I'm trying to install it
I've
now.
installed.
Okay,
I've installed it.
okay, okay. So have you opened it? Is it open? Has it launched?
It's open now.
It's opened.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. Just wait for it.
But it's asking discontinued something something. Whatever.
I didn't get that.
I said it's open for me now, but I think there's something changed log. Will I close down?
Yeah, you have to help me get the question. Then I think you are far from your mic. If you have an headset, you can as well use it. Are you hearing me clearly? If you have an headset, you can use it. You can help me. Yeah. So
Yeah, I'm using headset.
you are using headset. Then make sure the headset mount, the mic is closer to you.
By my mouth.
Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Better now. Yeah, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
I opened it,
Okay.
but I could see some write up on the screen. Notepad.
Okay. Well, it's normal.
Nothing.
You're seeing right. Yes. That's the default page that is going to show you. So
Okay.
yeah, you are on track. You're on track. So I'm
Thank you, sir.
installing. So he asked me whether I wanted English, next, agree, next, next. So this information is to tell you where it's going to install, what it's going to install in your system, but you don't need it. Just install it. So yeah, you will create shortcut on your desktop, but you can always get it. It's not important. So install. They're finished. So what you are seeing is, are you seeing my notepad?
Okay. Yes, yes, I can see it.
My notepad plus plus now that I've installed.
Yes,
So what you are seeing is this, right?
yes.
Yeah, so you are not seeing wrong. It's normal. It's okay. So we have our notepad plus test editor. We call it test editor. Install. So to start working from here now, all you just have to do is to select new page. And to do that, at the bottom of the file, this menu bar, at the bottom of the menu bar, you will see file. At the bottom of file, directly at the bottom, without clicking on it, if you bring your mouse to it, you will see new. So if you click on it, it's going to create a new page.
Is the normal text file?
Is it asking you any further information?
Is it the normal text file? No, I saw one normal text file. Is
No.
it that one?
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Oh,
So this is the default page it will roll
I
off.
can't see it again. No.
At the bottom, you can't see my screen.
Okay, it's coming up again. Okay. I can see it now, sir.
Okay. So you have your menu bar. This is the menu bar. Everything file, edit, search, view, and coding. Under the file, you will see a blank white page or icon with a plus at the corner, at the bottom corner. Without clicking on it, you will see new. So that is the place to open new page. So you click on it. If you click on it, it opens a new page by default. Of course, the old page is still here. The changelog, the default page that you open after installing is still here, but it's going to open a new page here. Have we done that?
Yes.
We have done that, right?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Okay. So this is where we can start doing our coding, but I'm trying to wait for evangelist, our evangelist. I'm trying to see if she'll have to get back. Are you back? Okay, so to start an HTML coding, there are rules to it. The rule is that we must inform this text editor that from now on, what I'm about to do right now is to do an HTML code. So it's like you are informing this guy to undo everything that you will do now as an HTML. Of course, if you go through the notes which I sent, which we should go through. So from page, let's say from page 2, what we'll be discussing and looking at here is from page 2 to about page, let's see, page 5. So what we are discussing now, what we are looking at, the practicality of what I'm showing you now is from page 2 to page 5. So it's just practical of what is on page 2 to 5 that we are doing now. So the rule there is that I must identify this as an HTML. And how do you identify anything on HTML? You have a tag. Now, to make a tag is this: the greater than sign and the less than sign. That's what we call tag. This is what is called tag. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Is it clear enough?
Yes.
Do you want me to zoom it? I said, is it clear enough?
It's clear enough. I can see it.
So this is what we call tag. This is what we call tag. Now, of course, this is not a labeled tag yet, meaning there's no function to it. So if I ask you to open a tag of something, what differentiates a tag from just normal typing is that, let me show you now. If I say open an HTML tag and just write HTML in your Notepad++, this is just typing HTML. But if I say open an HTML tag, it must come inside the in between the greater than sign and the less than sign. That's the tag. So if I say open an HTML tag, this is what I mean. And this makes it different from, so the sign, the greater than sign and the less than sign makes it different from just a normal text. What we are telling this guy to do, Notepad++, remember, is to tell it, so take this, to consider this HTML tag as a code and not just as a text. Because you could as well use Notepad++ to type. You could as well use it. But if it's not going to treat it as normal text, then you must put it inside a tag. That is the first rule in HTML, that every code must be inside a tag to be processed as a code. If it's not inside a tag, then it's not yet a code. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Evangelist, are you still here? I can't hear you. You can unmute yourself now. Oh, yes.
I said I've not been able to open the blank page.
I still can't hear you clearly.
Just listen. I said I've not been able to open the blank page, Joe.
What happened?
I didn't get what to say where we should open it.
So
I'm
have you
just
opened
listening.
Notepad? Is Notepad open on your system?
Yes, it's open
Then-
already.
Then go to the far left corner of the page of Notepad.
Okay.
Top left corner, you will see file.
And there was one I see. Okay, that one is even on the.
Don't click on that file. At the bottom of the file, you will see a white sheet, a white icon.
A plain white.
Yes, with a green plus by the
I
corner.
didn't know.
Eh?
I didn't know. I didn't see that one.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Can you see my
But I'm on this already.
where?
This is where I am already now. This very page.
You are on it already.
But it's just saying change log. My own is not saying new. But I have the same thing you have here.
Have you typed this?
Save that icon new. No.
So you have the same
This one
icon.
is saying change. Yes, only the one that you have new here. New one is what I don't have here.
So you know what? On your system, just press Control N. That's the shortcut actually.
Control N. Okay, I'm there now.
You open a new page, or you
Yes,
can as
sir.
well as gone through file and click on new. Do you see my
Okay.
screen? Yeah, so
Yes. Thank you, sir.
let's type this.
Okay.
Everything
I'm
I'm
right.
saying, you don't need to write anything. Everything I'm saying is in that text book. Everything I'm saying
Okay.
is there.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So are we here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So HTML. So what we have done now is that we are saying that everything here for now is HTML. So to proceed on this, then we'll now open a body tag. Sorry,
I
before.
have a question, sir.
Eh?
I have a question, sir.
I didn't get that.
I have a question, sir. Can you hear
What's
me?
the question? Yes. Don't hesitate to ask.
How do I open this tag? This greater than and less than sign. How do I open
So
it? What do I press to get this?
It's
on your keyboard, you will see shift.
Okay.
Then where you have comma,
and full stop.
so
Okay.
you will just hold on shift and press the
Be together.
comma. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I'm there already. Thank you, sir.
So I would explain why we have to do uh, this later. But before we get to body, there is something we must do. We must open a head tag. So when I say open a tag, open a head or header tag, this is how to open. So you use your greater than sign, and then you type the tag in it. When I say open a body tag, you will use your greater than sign, because I'm not going to continue saying greater than. So I want us to get familiar with this. If I say open a tag, you know what I mean.
Okay.
You know the sign
Yes, sir.
and then all that stuff. Then to close a tag is very simple. To close a tag, so because we have to close this head tag now, what makes it different from opening is just a forward slash. So if I say close the head tag, the same tag in the head, but just in front of the text, there will be a forward slash before the text. So this is an example of its close tag. So that's the difference. The difference between an open tag is the same forward, greater than, less than, and with the text. When it comes to a closed tag, you have to use the forward slash, back forward slash, to in front of the text, still within the greater than and less than sign. So here we can now close our body.
The body.
And then here we will now close our HTML. So I want you to take notice. These guys are all black. The text on your screen is all black. It's not yet processing it as a code yet. And the reason for that is because we have not saved it. To save a file that you are working on, there are several processes. So you could go to File, then look for Save, or you could just click Control S,
Okay.
Control, then S to save. So we are going to save this as an HTML file. Control S. So if you click on Control S, you are going to see this new bar that is open. But it's going to show you that it's program file.exe. So you take it, make sure you click it on desktop. Let's save it on desktop so that it will be easier for us to find on desktop. And then you can rename it here and say first code. Then under save as type, we'll click it and look for HTML. This is it. Hypertext markup language file. Have you seen it?
I'm on it.
Okay. It's listed alphabetically. So hypertext markup language file.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Evangelist, have you seen it? Save as hyper H hypertext